The number of bird flu cases have dropped in Minnesota, but turkey farmers say the threat is always there. John Lordson shows us how bird flu studies involving ducks and geese could actually benefit poultry farms.
Most recent outbreak is going on 3 years now and doesn't seem to be letting up.
John Zimmerman is a turkey farmer near Northfield, and he's learned that the latest strain of bird flu can hit a farm any time of year. But spring is extra concerning because that's when migratory birds, the main carriers of the flu, make their way back to Minnesota.
Anytime the weather's like this and you start to hear the honking of those ducks and geese flying overhead, you get nervous because that is still the primary method of transmission.
Poultry farmers have upped biosecurity measures, and some have even installed bird lasers to keep ducks and geese away. They're also relying on the U of M and Board of Animal Health for guidance. And now they're getting help from another source.
When the outbreak first started in January 2022, we saw a lot of mortality with wild birds.
Eric Hildebrand is a wildlife health supervisor with the DNR. They're helping the USDA nationally by collecting wild bird samples to see how the flu is changing.
That information can be useful because different strains of the avian influenza virus can have different means or outcomes for various species.
Through these studies, they've learned that geese, which once had a high mortality rate, have been able to adapt to this particular strain. It's a positive sign when it comes to the battle against bird flu. But wild birds developing some immunity doesn't mean other birds will. Still, it's information poultry farmers can use. If the mortality rate goes up for geese, it could mean the bird flu is changing yet again.
Take that information and glean something from it is valuable. So we'll take any information we can get at this point.
In Northfield, John Lordson, WCCO News.
While cases have gone down in Minnesota, Indiana and other states are dealing with an uptick in bird flu. The DNR is asking the public to report any sick or dying birds they come across.